NGO based in Ajmer. The main fieldwork happens in Masuda, which is close to Ajmer. But I stayed there for some time, and I didn't like it quite much. It was very desert-like and not very developed. So I got the opportunity to stay in Ajmer and work in the office more. That was really nice. The team in Ajmer is very, very friendly. I was their first intern, so it was something very special for them and for me as well. We had a lot of fun together. And what I can say about India so far is that the people are in extremes. They're either very friendly or very unfriendly and trying to trick you or whatever. And the food is very spicy or very sweet, as I said. So that's all I can say for now. In Ajmer, I stayed with the host family, with the family of Jana, who is a member of ISEC. And they're a very nice family. They're very friendly and they offer me a lot of food. And Jana in general is very engaged in ISEC. She does a lot. She's always worried about what can happen, and she's also always worried what happens to the interns. So that is a very special thing about ISEC Ajmer. They're still growing and they're still small, so that's why they're very focused on quality.